Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to send multiple videos with text to a group on WhatsApp for PC using the new update. This quick guide will help you share memories, projects, or funny clips with your friends, family, or coworkers, all in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. Once the app is open, look for the group chat where you want to send your videos. Click on the group name to open the conversation window. Next, find the little plus icon near the bottom of the chat window. It's your shortcut to sharing anything photos, documents, or videos. Click on that plus icon and choose Photos and Videos. This will open a file selection window from your computer. Now, navigate to the folder where your videos are stored. Here's the best part: thanks to the new update, you can select more than one video at once. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each video you want to include. When you've picked all your clips, click Open. You'll see all your selected videos appear inside the chat preview, ready to send. Before hitting send, you can type a message to go along with your videos. Whether it's a quick caption, an explanation, or just a few emojis, this text will appear above all the videos in the chat. Take a moment to check everything looks right: your message, your clips, and the order they're in. When you're happy with it, click send. WhatsApp will start uploading all your videos at once, and your group members will be able to view or download them directly. And that's it. The process is simple, efficient, and perfect for sharing multiple videos together without needing to send them one by one. It's a real time saver, especially for large files or group updates. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone who might need it too. Thanks for watching.